I've really been on the side of wanting the CDC and FDA to evaluate the risk benefits and make some strong recommendations, perhaps in favor of boosters.
Some of the nation's leading medical doctors and researchers are calling on the federal government to consider authorizing the use of COVID-19 booster shots. We spoke with Dr. Vincent Rajkumar of the Mayo Clinic, which was named the #1 hospital in the nation for the 6th year in a row. Dr. Rajkumar supports the idea of a third vaccine for the immunocompromised who got 2 doses of Pfizer or Moderna, or a second dose for Johnson & Johnson recipients.
It looks like it just snuck up on us.
The CDC says the highly transmissible Delta variant now accounts for more than 80% of COVID-19 cases in the U.S. The virus now surging in parts of the country where people are not vaccinated. And Dr. Rajkumar says right now, experts face 2 challenges that need to be addressed separately. The first, vaccine hesitancy. The second, growing questions about whether the fully vaccinated need boosters.
Say the J&J vaccinated people who are suddenly concerned if the UK studies show only 1 dose is not sufficient, and I had only 1 dose. How good is that?
He thinks there are some barriers preventing the CDC Advisory Committee and the CDC from issuing new booster recommendations. One major roadblock is that all 3 vaccines are only authorized for emergency use.
They're hesitant to come out and recommend something that's not in the label.
But concerns about having enough protection against the virus is pushing some people to find ways to get around limitations and access boosters.
That puts people in a very difficult spot because they have to provide some wrong information to pharmacies in order to get that shot.
He thinks it would be better if doctors and providers were able to recommend boosters to patients, especially amid the rise in Delta cases. The doctor says the CDC's recent shift on its masking recommendation is part of a larger revamp and thinks the same should be done with vaccines. While the U.S. does not have enough data on the safety of mixing and matching COVID vaccines, results out of countries like France, the U.K., and Germany is giving American health experts hope. And on Sunday, Israel will start offering a 3rd dose of the Pfizer vaccine for people ages 60 and older.
From a pure safety standpoint, the risk is quite low.
For News Channel 3, I'm Jennifer Franco.